Okay.
So if you sent this form to Realtor A and they filled out the property with custom values, the site would get updated is what we're trying to do. But if you send this form to Realtor B and they upload it, it will override whoever A is. So the
Okay.
only way to do it is you'd have to have a form, a custom value, and a site for each contact. If you did contacts instead of custom values,
I mean, if we did custom fields instead of custom values?
yeah, they're contact fields. Yeah, custom fields. Because you wouldn't want to do opportunity, you would want to do contact. Um, custom fields. Then you could do it by user, but your link would be super long because we'd have to put everything in the link, question mark, property address equals this, you know what I mean?
Right.
For that user. But only the user would see the update, not everyone else. And you want it to where the public can see the site.
Correct.
Your query's wrong anyways. It should be custom underscore values dot Ohio property address.
OH. Okay. Open house. So it should be with the two brackets.
Custom custom underscore values dot no brackets. No brackets.
Okay.
Values with an S dot. That's how it should read.
Okay.
And then you just hit save, yeah. And then if you fill out the form, it should update that custom value from the form. And then that custom value would be put on the funnel, but you'd have to build a form, a custom value, and a funnel for each open house. You couldn't reuse the same stuff over and over and over.
Okay. That's if we use the custom values versus custom fields.
Custom fields would only be the user, only the contact could actually see it, the data on the form. So if they're not in your CRM, they won't see it.
How about this? That's for custom fields.
Yeah, yeah. You
So
almost need a form that they fill out. You gather the info and you send it over to an AI that builds the site for you with that info,
that I was going to ask about that. So
like a Lovable or a Manus or a Base 44 or something like that.
is that something that the new AI agent within AI Agent Studio within Go High Level could handle?
I mean, it's coming. I don't think it's live yet. Basically, you prompt it and it will create the site. So what we would do is when the form's filled out, we'd extract those details and then have it build write us a prompt, and then we take that prompt and have it input into the AI, and AI would build the site.
Because when I go into AI Studio right now, I haven't done anything in it, but it does look like it's live.
It is now.
What's that?
It is now.
Yeah, it is. I don't know how to
I
use
just
it.
haven't had a lot of time to go mess with it, but
Yeah,
it is live.
yeah. What would you suggest for learning some of this stuff? Because the two problems I'm having right now, well, more than two problems, but um, one is the knowledge base cutoff within Gemini was January 2025. And so I've been trying to use Gemini to help me build this stuff,
Uh-huh.
but it's like it's building it in the dark. It doesn't know where to go a lot of times. And I've tried building. So the thing is, I've tried building the knowledge base from with like feeding it these PDFs from Go High Level, printing out I can't remember the name. There's a website. It's basically a help site that they've got on
Hmm.
Go High Level, and I'll print it out to PDF. Then I put it into the prompt, but then you've got real problems with the latency because it all of a sudden you got a huge database that it keeps going back through. Is there any way to build, and there probably isn't, but a way to build like the knowledge base within these prompts with more recent information so I could make it easier to go back and forth and build this stuff that you can think of?
You can you can build knowledge bases on like Google Sheets, or you can sign up for like a super base account or something.
What's this, how do you sign up for a Superbase account?
You just go to superbase.com and it's it's basically like online storage for AI tools where like you can connect Superbase to, I don't even know if you can connect it to ChatGPT and stuff. But
Okay.
it's coming.
Yeah. And then where would you go to get information on this new AI, the AI studio within Go High Level? How to get that information?
I just go to their help docs or wait for people to record videos on YouTube and watch them.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the best avenue or not, but
Well, if you have any ideas on it, I'd love to hear it because I'm just trying to
I'm
learn
trying to
this.
think of how to solve your problem.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
No, you're good. Um, have you tried putting your problem into ChatGPT or something and see what it says?
Oh yeah,
Gemini or
I've got a whole bunch of prompts in Gemini. I mean, I basically have just been going back and forth.
what was it saying?
It had been leading me to like dead ends because and the problem was that the knowledge base cut off, and it wasn't doing a very good job of getting us to the finish line, so to speak. And some of these, like the solution that Ina had today, it wasn't super complicated. It's just she knows where to go, and and Gemini doesn't know where to go. I mean, she took me right to the spot. Said put in the picture, and we clicked on the picture field and worked like a charm. It was beautiful. Like I was pulling my hair off for 8 hours last night, and Ina fixed it in about 1 minute.
I think we need to put a script on here. Let me look at some scripts that I have. You could build an app instead of a form
Okay, you think that, okay? Can we build an app within the Go High Level?
through no, I don't know if you could build it in high level or not. You would build it in like Lovable or in Base 44 or something like that, where it would build the app for you. Where so basically, I'd go to AI and I'd build out a prompt of the app, what I'm trying to have it do, and then I take that prompt and I put it into Lovable or Base 44 or something, which is another subscription. But then it will build you out the app to do different things.
So basically using an app.
But I don't know if it would create you a new website. That's the only thing. You got a tough one here, my friend.
Maybe I should have started crawling before I started running. But
I think app might be your best bet, but I could be wrong.
okay. So checking out Lovable or Base 44 and using an app instead of the Go High Level form.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I would do. Yeah.
Okay. I will I will check it out. I'll see what we can come up with. See if that works. Give me something to do.
I
Thanks, Jeff.
I don't know if it would be like password protected. I'm trying to think of like how it would look. Um, hmm. I don't know if an app would actually work. I just don't know where the site would turn live at.
What do you mean by that?
Even if the app could build you the site, how are you going to turn it live?
Wouldn't you just you couldn't just hook it up to like GoDaddy or something like that?
Yeah, but you have to point to an IP.
Could you build the? I know Go High Level has a website builder. Would that work?
It would, but you have to do it for each realtor off each form.
Hmm.
So if we had
You have
the
to build a new funnel or a new website every time the form is filled out manually. I'm
okay.
trying to figure out how to do it automatically.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe the agent studio would be able if we could program that. We could maybe have the agent studio.
I think we need more information.
Okay. Where can I go in the Go High Level community to ask a few questions about this?
You can join Facebook groups or um,
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay.
Facebook groups, help docs, YouTube videos, things like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been using YouTube videos.
Is there nothing on it yet on AI agent?
I just saw one today that it was like the first one that I've actually seen somebody building something off of those. It's hard to separate the videos that are kind of hypey versus the meat and potatoes videos. You know what I mean? You got a lot of hype
Or
stuff.
trash.
Yeah. But I did see one today, and it was from the GHL website or GHL YouTube page. And I haven't watched the whole thing, but it did look like it'd be helpful. So I'll take a look at that. It's a good start. I I just think that's the way we're going to have to do it is to build a build a first site and then have when we have new realtors come on board, um, duplicate what needs to be done using building out new funnels and everything for each realtor using the AI agents. I think that makes the most sense. I just don't know how to do it. Anyway, but that's why we get to learn these things. So give me something to do at night. All righty,
Pretty crazy.
it is. I'll let you go. I'll thank you very much for your help. Thanks, Jeff.
Uh,
Talk to you soon.
see
Bye.
ya.
Oh, wait. I need the meeting, the recording. How do I do
Once
that?
you leave, it will automatically download to your computer.
Oh, okay.